In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily configure the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. And what that is a free plugin that will allow you to easily search engine optimize your WordPress website or your WordPress blog in a few easy steps. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm signed in right here into the back office of my WordPress blog. I've set up a temporary blog for this example. I'm going to click on plugins and then click on add new. Search for all-in-one SEO pack. Click the search plugins button, and the very first result, all-in-one SEO pack, I'm going to select install now. Are you sure you want to install this plugin? Okay. And then activate the plugin. Now you're going to get this error message right when you install it. It says all-in-one SEO pack must be configured. Go to the admin page to enable and configure the plugin. So let's click there and go to the admin page. And the very first thing you want to do is click the enabled button. So this is where you put in your basic search engine optimizing information. 3 important bits of information need to be filled in here. In order to get this information, you need to have watched my previous video on how I get keywords, targeted keywords for search engine optimization. So I suggest right below this video you take a look at that video before you proceed any further. And once you do get your keywords, what you want to do is you want to craft a nice home title. So for this example, I'm going to be using my speed reading blog, Reading Dojo. I'm going to type in the title. Title is going to be this. Let's do a little search here. Let's go to Google, type in cars. The title of your page is going to be this right here, the very first bit of information that shows up. This bit of information. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that it's not only search engine optimized, so it has our keywords in there, but it's also very inviting for visitors when they do see that website pop up in the search results. They want to click on it. So I'm going to put in everything you ever wanted to know about speed reading. So this is the keyword right here that I'm going to be chasing for this example, or targeting for this example. Speed reading. And as you can see, it is in my home title. You want to make sure that your keyword and your key phrase is in your home title. You also want to make sure that when you do write it, it looks very natural. We don't want it to look like we're stuffing keywords, because if we do try to put too many keywords, or I should say use the same keyword too many times all over the place, Google might penalize you. And the second piece right here is the home description. It's very important that you make this around 160 characters. 160 characters is the perfect home description length. Now I said 160 characters, not 160 words. And the reason I'm saying that is this right here is the home description. Okay? And when you type it very long, it won't be very clear, and it'll kind of seem like a little runoff. And most people don't take the time to write this properly, but if you write it in about 160 characters, you'll display your little blurb very clear, and not only will you be able to put in your keyword there or your key phrase, but it'll also look very appealing to the visitor when they visit or when they search for your website or keywords related to your website. So in this example, I'm going to put speed reading. Again, there's my keyword, is an important skill to have. By having this skill, you can take in information at a faster rate check it out. So this isn't a really well thought out home description, but it's just to give you an example. Okay, so I got speed reading is an important skill to have. by having the skill, you can take in information at a faster rate. Check it out. Most important, the keyword is in the home description. And then right here, home keywords, we want to type in our keyword. And if we're chasing any other keywords, we want to do a comma. I'll just put in how to read faster, and then another one, speed reading tips. And you can just keep adding your keywords there. But most important, and I'll say this again, home title, home description, and home keywords. There is a few or one or two keywords or key phrases that you're targeting. Make sure you include that in your home title, home description, and home keywords. And then there isn't a lot more to do, except what I'd like to do is this right here. Just take this bit out altogether, so it just says post title and page title format. Just take that bit out right there. Leave everything the way that it is, and then hit update options. So now when we go look at the website or the blog, we'll see right there on the top everything you ever wanted to know about speed reading as the title. If I go view source, we'll see that our keywords are there, and we'll also see that our description is there. So when it does get spidered into Google, we'll see our title up here, our description, and also Google will weigh it out better because we've got those keywords put in more frequently. Now there's a lot more to the all-in-one SEO pack, and the real benefit for the all-in-one SEO pack is you can use it to optimize each blog post that you created. So if I go over here to post and look at the sample post that came in with the WordPress install, you can see that all-in-one SEO pack is here, and you can optimize this post for SEO using a custom title, custom description, custom keywords. Again, because you're going to be targeting visitors to that specific blog post, you want to make sure that all this stuff is specific. I'm going to be talking more about that later in another video. For now, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below or send me a message and I'll get back to you.